Welcome to Brain Nurture. What happens when you drink turmeric mixed teas? Turmeric is one of the trendiest spices in our days, offering a variety of health benefits. Turmeric, Curcuma Longa, is an Indian spice known as Indian saffron. According to studies, it has several health benefits due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to reduce joint pain and arthritis. It helps to treat depression. It helps reduce stiffness in people with osteoporosis. Turmeric also contains properties that may help protect against cancer. It keeps tumor cells from spreading, and even prevents tumor cells from forming in the first place. Curcumin may also help protect you from developing heart disease by improving the health of the membrane that lines the inside of our heart and blood vessels. In this video, we will be talking about 8 turmeric tea recipes to help you boost your health. 1. Daily Detox Turmeric Tea. This tea contains lemon, ginger, cayenne, cinnamon and turmeric. These ingredients have nutrients that fight indigestion, bloating, headaches and inflammation. 2. Turmeric Green Tea. This tea contains ginger, mint and turmeric. These ingredients may help protect the body from many serious health problems such as high blood pressure. They also protect from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. These ingredients also prevent from heart disease and stroke. They also protect from arthritis and lupus. 3. Anti-Inflammatory Turmeric Tea. This tea is called anti-inflammatory because it contains cardamom and ginger that boost the antioxidants. You can also add to this tea any kind of non-dairy milk, such as nut milk. 4. Iced Turmeric Orange Tea. This tea contains half an orange juice. Orange contains big quantities of vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C and potassium. You can also add to it raw honey, for a sweeter taste. 5. Bedtime Golden Milk. This tea contains almond milk, maple syrup, almond butter, vanilla extract. It can be topped with cinnamon and a few almonds. This tea helps you relax, unwind and improve your sleep. 6. Fruit-infused turmeric tea. You can prepare this tea by adding orange with strawberries, along with mint. This tea helps to reduce inflammation, helps in digestion and gives your immune system a good boost. 7. Ginger Turmeric Tea. This tea contains a combination of ginger, turmeric, chamomile tea, echinacea tea, orange juice and lemon juice. It can be topped with slices of orange and lemon. 8. Golden Milk Turmeric Tea. This tea contains black pepper, coconut oil, cinnamon and ginger. You can also add to it raw honey and vanilla extract to add sweetness. So, what do you say? Have you ever tried any other turmeric tea recipes which you find healthy? Give a thumbs up, comment below and share this video with your friends and family. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you can be notified for all future videos. Thank you for watching.